ALORAIR has introduced a rare earth alloy tube evaporator. This innovative feature extends the life of the coils by providing protection against maintaining the coil's heat transferability. It features great COP at 2.44 L per kilowatt-hour, with a huge capacity of 85 ppd at AHAM RH, while the current draw is 5.62 amps. Installation flexibility makes the unit ideal for almost any application. During operation, this self-draining dehumidifier will automatically purge the collected condensation water out to a bucket, sink, out a window, or anywhere else that water can drain safely. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Super features. This commercial dehumidifier removes 180 ppd at saturation condition, digital humidistat control, timer, with condensate pump, fits into small spaces, multiple units can be moved on a standard hand truck. Number 2. Highly efficient. This water damage restoration dehumidifier gets an operating temperature range of 33.8 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, draws 5.62 amps on a 115 volts power supply for energy efficiency, the huge capacity of 85 ppd, 13.4 gallons, at AHAM, while the current draw is 5.62 amps, rated power 640W. Number 3. Waterproof design. You can sink the unit in the water as the rubber strip makes the circuit board sealed. Number 4. 5 years warranty and auto defrosting. We believe in quality and after-sales service. This unit is equipped with an auto defrosting system, which ensures a quick and efficient clearing of ice from the coil under a minimum operating temperature of 33.8 Fahrenheit. Number 5. Storm LGR Extreme Industrial Dehumidifier is leading the industry by introducing a rare earth alloy tube evaporator. This new feature will extend the life of the coils, maintain the coil's heat transferability over the life of the coil. Number 6. Easy operation and intuitive control panel. Set it and forget IT. Control automatically starts dehumidification when humidity above target is sensed. After auto or non-auto turn on, the dehumidifier will start or restart with the setting data before the outage, no need to reset the data. Number 7. Easy Merv 8 filter access. The high-dense Merv 8 filter protects internal components from damage due to dust and other particles while ensuring maximum airflow throughout the operation, ensures efficient operation and long-term use. Please wash the filter once per 2 to 3 months. Number 8. Ultra Portability, Stackable Design. The compact design and rugged housing with indents can not only save flood restorer more space but also make numbers of the machine bin transported to the destination for after flood restoration tasks. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How long is the drain hose? Answer. It comes with a 25 feet drain hose. Question number 2. Why do some colors cost more? Answer. A number of stocks difference. But they are the same exact unit. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.